Hey, what's up, everybody? Drawdown King here. Gonna get the audio. Maybe we'll get a post today. Record voice note. Gonna be looking at the ES, NQ, and some other shit. AI still can't do this, so I've got to do it till I don't. One day I won't have to. One day I won't have to. Let's turn off all of this shit. I don't need initial balance. I've got some shit here. So let's take a look at ES, E-mini SMP. We're gonna go to the weekly here. Maybe I'll have enough data. Last level I have a 70-20. Still haven't filled in this area quite enough. That's on the weekly. I had enough over here, right? Oh shit. I'm having to do it on the weekly. I'm usually doing this on a monthly. Just not enough data, and there's really not enough on weekly, so gonna have to do these on daily for now. Let's see if I can, what I can get for the weekly first. I'd put one right here for sure. Uh, 71.84. There's probably something around 70.80. $73.65. See that one? Surely you see this one, don't you? 74.88. That one there. That one there. I think I got it. There's a couple big gaps there, but that's okay. So we've added 71.84, 73.65, 74.88, 75.40, 76. And, you know, I usually like to round those up. So if this is 71.84, what am I going to do? Oh, shit. Well, for one thing, we need to delete some of these, huh? Belch. I'm on a gluten-free thing again. That stuff will mess you up, that gluten. This shit'll fuck you up. Fuck you up is what it'll do. So now if I come back here, I should be able to... We're going to add this to 86 just to make it better. See that? 86. Before I get to... We're just going to round it down. 64. What's this? 88. Let's do 86. I don't know if it looks more like an 86 or a 94. 94 is going to be too tall, huh? Yeah. I know it's a little bit off, but I want to line up with my existing levels. It's at 39. Let's do 42. And here we're going to do 06. Well, we find at 06 there. 7600 to 7606. This is on the ES E-mini S&P futures. I like it at 7600 better. Right? And you could always put one up here, but that's the monthly levels I'm looking at now. All right, for ES, we don't need to go too far here because it's a long way down, but we'll start at 7020, 7020. Next one is 7186, 7364, 7486, 7542, 7600. Let's go out to a weekly here just to make sure some of this stuff lines up. Pretty damn good, pretty damn good. Doesn't have to be exact. So that's what we got with for the monthlies. We're gonna go out over here. I should be able to go to weekly on the NASDAQ here. I thought I had levels on NASDAQ. Yeah, I don't see them, do you? Okay, I put them on MNQ, unfortunately. That's okay. I gotta go back and put them on NQ, but we'll use these since we've already got them up. Alright, gotta get that mess off of there, people. So yeah, I had MNQ up. Good enough. Yeah, the last one we had marked was 26264. We're gonna have to pull this one out to the daily. It's just a bit of a bullshit. Alright. This is the NQ. Not doing everything today, just these two. Not seeing a great. You see that one, it's 27,210. You see that one. Did I just click another one there? That's fine. Right. Can't move them around, I guess, once you click them. Oh, shit. You do not want to start getting your shit out of whack here. I'm gonna get rid of that one. Get rid of that one. And these are actually probably valid, but I clicked them so quick that I just want to review. Right, so let's go back here. 27,210. We're going to leave that one alone. 27,210 on the NASCracker. We got 28,220. 28,220. 28,996. We'll make that 29. thought I had this open here. Alright, so 29. Shit. You gotta keep toggling. I really don't need two of these things here. Let's delete one of them. 2,900, 29,000, 29 million. 29 million. It's not perfect. It could be moved down a little bit to like maybe here. Is that 58? Let's see where 58 lines up. Is that it? I'd like to have it more in here personally. See that? Like right here. 28,764. You really want to use weekly or monthly unless you just can't. So let's go back out to daily. Let's go back out to daily here. Seven, 8, 9. Shit. Gotta keep toggling this shit back and forth. Let's go to 8, 6. Looks pretty clean. Could be slightly lower. Right there. Oh, 764. Perfect. There's one more here. All right. This I can't put another one in. This I really can't unless I go out to hourly or something. I'm trying to look at this on a weekly. We could still put that one here, 210. Right here. Like right. Shit. Three, 8, 3. Let's put that in 8, 6. We got a couple spaces here. I just cannot really make heads or tails or levels in between here and here. See that? We'll go to a daily for a minute. I'm still not really getting anything. Maybe something right here at, yeah, we'll put that one in right here. See that one? 584. Shit. 8-4, and that's not going to be 8-4. That's going to be 8-6. Oh shit, that's 220. 8-4. Closer. Could be down potentially a little more too. Like right there. Well, that's where I was, wasn't it? 8-6. Alright, so the new levels we added today are 27,210, 27,586, 28,220, 28,764, 29,386, 29,764 and 3210. Let's see if 3210 looks good. Not really. Let's take it right there. 3,300. And we just came down to this area. Previously we were here, it was in April. So we almost came down on this recent sell. Had that move from 210 to 764, 1, 2, 3 wide on the move. This area is sort of concerning when it falls or if it falls. Let's go to an hourly here. There's really nothing here to look at. Maybe I don't like to be in an hourly chart for doing this shit. Probably 4 hour would be better, right? 4 hours. Let's look at 4 hours. Alright. See if we can get at least one more level in here. 27 or I'd probably say right there 26,800. $26,800, yep. Oops. $26,800. That one's questionable. It could be a few places. But that's our air. We're going to put that in there. And this is for MNQ, so I don't know how to get these over to NQ. But just keep an eye out there. Again, 26,800, 27,210, 27,586, 28,220, 28,764, 29,386, 29,764, 3,300. 3,300. And if you're transcribing these, that's 30,300, 29,764, 29,386, 28,764, 28,220, 27,586, 27,210, 26,800, and then back to the base of 26,264. This is for the NASDAQ. I'm gonna say I've got the MNQ up, so shit, I don't know. Should probably save these somehow, wouldn't you think? Again, those new levels on the ES over 7020 is 7186, 7364, 7486, 7542, 7600, 7364, 7486. Should be something right in here. I might be missing 7100 here. 7250 maybe. But that's what I got for right now, so Let's go back into the 15 minutes. We're not doing crude oil. We already got what we need on crude oil. We're not doing any of these other instruments, monthly levels and stuff right now. Alright, now let's go back in. We're going to do a quick overview for what's happening with the markets right now. What kind of stuff we should be looking for. Alright, people. We had that big bounce off 35 to 35. It's actually, now you can say 35. You can see the base of those candles right here. You see that shit? Right, you see that shit? Right there. So that's what I would call the turnaround, 74.26, and push to 75.42. Right? See that? Yellow, yellow. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wide move off of 74.26. So a 5x move, keeps the band connections, comes back in, sells off after market, gets some acceleration off 75.35 into 7,500, right? You're going to see that was a recent high pushing into that, and you had the prior areas here at 76.35. That was a big one on the double top there before they started getting some sell side, right? Big level has been 74.80, as you can see here. Had that one up at 75.64, drew down almost into 74.06. 75.26 baseline. 74.20 was a big one before they came down here. 73.26. Before getting that move up, had that pullback here. 74.26, the most recent thing. So what we're looking at for topside on the ES right now, we got the all-important 547.50 area, whether that's going to come up and test and puke. They're going to come up, save the stick, 7,500, try to do the 20, 35, boom, 75.80, and 7,600 up to 76.06 there, trying to make its way back to that 76.35. So you already had over a 1 wide move on the 35, 5 wide move on the yellow band there. So if they do come back in, I'd be looking at 74.80 or 74.50 before they can get any more munching. If we break down under 80 though, could get back into 74.35. So for the week right now, I'm going to put my solid guess on, especially with that sell down there, I'd be looking at possibly a low here between 73.80 to 74.06. Right there. I don't know if that's a weekly low. I'm just saying a low. You could still come down here and take that out and then test 7,300, 72.80. On the top side, we already pointed that out. So we're basically playing, if you want to look here, between 73.64 and 75.42. That's our new monthly levels, as you see there. Right? And we already hit the top of that, so whether we come back in now, try to grab that 74.80, that's not the midpoint, but right there, your mid areas would be 74.35 to 74.80, where I showed you the top extremes, the bottom extremes, the monthlies, and on the NQ, we don't care about this stuff. We got that 27.210 to 28.764. You got your 386.764.300. You got your 26.800, 264, 26.006. And a little deeper would bring right above that previous areas of resistance before they broke through. 25.600. So Crude oil sticking above 80, coming in 86, much above 86 into 94, and market should start really moving down. If they consolidate 86 back into 80 and get that 72 move, markets could go crazy. We're looking for a brief sell down on both the crude and this. I think it's on my cover today. I've got RTY up. I've got some alerts. Check out the Discord and shit like that. I'm not covering silver. That's a piece of shit right now for some time. We called the chop zone a long time ago. $3 off the top at 117 and went around 120. So it's going to go down to the area it is here and to the 58 to 72 and just chop for a long fucking time. Peace out. That's all I've got, everybody. Drawdown King. Later, taters.